Why a daily routine matters for Duolingo.
Consistency is key when learning a new language. A daily study routine on Duolingo helps reinforce vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. By making language practice a regular habit, progress feels natural and steady. Building a routine also keeps you motivated and increases retention, making it much easier to reach your goals over time.
Setting a realistic study goal.
Start by choosing a manageable daily XP goal in the Duolingo app. Pick a target that fits your schedule. Many users begin with 10 or 20 XP per day. It's better to be consistent with a small goal than to set a high target you can't keep. Adjust the goal as your skills and confidence improve.
Choosing the best time for practice.
Identify a specific time each day for your Duolingo session. Morning practice can boost focus, while evening sessions might help you unwind. Link your study time to an existing habit, like after breakfast or before bed. Setting phone reminders or alarms ensures you don't skip your daily practice.
Making sessions engaging and varied.
Mix up your activities to keep learning interesting. Alternate between regular lessons, time challenges, and review exercises. Take advantage of features like stories and speaking practice. Using different types of activities strengthens various skills and helps prevent boredom or frustration.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
Duolingo offers streaks, badges, and leaderboards to encourage daily use. Celebrate milestones like a 10-day streak as small victories. If you miss a day, don't get discouraged. Restart and focus on your routine. Share your progress with friends or join a club for added support and motivation.